Happy New Year everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. First, it is now 2025. Second, I'll be cooking ginger pork to celebrate my Kuya Brendan's birthday. Third, it is my 50th cooking vlog.
Happy 50th vlog Farian!
Before we begin, my Tito Gil wanted me to give something to Kuya Brendan for his birthday.
Smartwatch. Thank you so much, Tito Gil.
A few minutes later.
Welcome back guys. Now Kuya Jake will help me cook the ginger pork. What are the ingredients, Kuya Jake?
Hello guys, I'm here to help Farian. These are the ingredients. Red bell peppers, ginger, scallions, garlic, onions, brown sugar, black pepper, cornstarch, magic syrup, salt, oyster sauce, oil, soy sauce, and pork.
Thank you, Kuya Jake. Now we will marinate the pork. We're done marinating the pork, guys. Now we will set aside this for 1 hour.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, we're back. We will start cooking now. We're done, guys. Ginger pork with scallions.
Brendan, come and taste it.
What do you think, Kuya? Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.